नमस्ते मित्रांनो, मी सचिन पाटील तुमचे स्वागत करतो फ्री मॅथ्स एज्युकेशन्स या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये. इयत्ता 10वी मॅथ पार्ट 2 चॅप्टर 1 सिमिलॅरिटीचा 6वा भाग मी या ठिकाणी सादर करीत आहे. या भागामध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मधील एक्झाम्पल सोडून बघणार आहोत. पहिलं एक्झाम्पल आहे, इन फिगर angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also, write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. तुम्हाला आता या ठिकाणी कोणत्या टेस्टनुसार दोघंही ट्रायंगल सिमिलर आहेत आणि कोणत्या करस्पॉन्डन्सनुसार ते सिमिलर आहेत या सर्व गोष्टी लिहायच्या आहेत. एक्झाम्पल जरी मोठं वाटत असलं तरी तुमचं उत्तर फक्त 3 ते 4 ओळीत येणार आहेत. बघा, सुरुवातीला आपल्याला जे दोन ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर दाखवायचे असतील त्या दोन ट्रायंगल्सला आपण ऑब्झर्व करून त्या ठिकाणी बघून घेऊ. व्हेन वी ऑब्झर्व दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स ABC अँड ट्रायंगल EDC in which the measure of angle B is equal to 75 and measure of angle D is equal to 75 degree, means these two angles are congruent. Similarly, here in this triangle ABC and EDC, angle C is a common angles, means we can say that these two triangles are similar. Now you have to choose only the proper correspondence between the vertices of the two triangles. Therefore, here I take in triangle ABC and triangle EDC. Now we write angle ABC is congruent to angle EDC. Why? Because each of 75 degree. This is given to you. Then angle ACB. Observe here this angle ACB and angle ECD. For these two triangles, angle C is a common angle. Observe for angle EDC, this C angle is common. Highlighted here this angle C, which is common to both triangles. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC by AA test of similarity. In this way, here we get the two triangles are similar and by which correspondence? A is correspondence to E, B correspondence to D and C correspondence to C. Second example, are the two triangles in figure similar? If yes, by which test? You have to observe what is given here in these two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle LMN. The length of all three sides of triangle PQR is given. Similarly, length of all three sides of triangle LMN is given. You have to only taking the ratios of their sides and check whether the ratio is equal or not. We already learned the different test of similarity. According to that similarity test, if the ratio of corresponding side is equal, then we say that the two triangles are similar by triple S test. So here we write in solution from figure PM upon LM is equal to 6 upon 3, which is equal to 2 upon 1. QR upon Mn is equal to 8 upon 4, that is equal to 2 upon 1. PR upon Ln is equal to 10 upon 5, which is equal to, again simplifying, 2 upon 1. In triangle PQR and LMN, PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon Mn is equal to PR upon Ln is equal to 2 upon 1 from first, second and third. Therefore, according to the test of similarity, we can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN. Then in third example, as shown in the figure, two poles of the height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of the shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Here, observe here are two poles. Suppose we consider that PR and AC are poles which are perpendicular to the ground, QR and BC. The length of first pole PR is equal to 4 meter and the length of another pole AC is equal to 8 meter. Now here the shadow of pole PR is 6 meter. We consider that QR is equal to 6 meter. At the same time, they ask what is the shadow of this pole AC. For that, in figure, first we write in solution. In figure, pole PR and AC are perpendicular to the ground. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to angle AB is equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular, so we write that angle is equal to 90 degree. Second thing, also angle QPR is equal to angle BAC. Why? Because here given that the shadow cast at the same times. Whenever the shadow cast at same time, then it make congruent angle at the top of the given object. Therefore, triangle PRQ is similar to triangle ACB. PRQ similar to ACB by AA test, because here these two angles are congruent, so we say that the two triangles are similar. Again, we know that if the two triangles are similar, then we can say that their corresponding sides are in proportions. Here the two sides PR and QR is given, AC and BC are given, so we write here only the ratios of that given sides, means PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. Again, also here you can write here PQ upon AC, but that is no need to find it because they are not asking your question what is the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore, put the value of PR, AC, QR and BC, we get 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon x. Taking cross multiplication, 4x is equal to 6 into 8, x is equal to 6 8s are 48 upon 4, therefore x is equal to 12. What is this x? That is nothing but the length of the shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. Write your answer below your solution of the examples. Now, in fourth example, in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC, B dash P dash C, A dash Q dash C, then prove that triangle CPA, observe here, where is that triangle CPA, this one is similar to triangle CQB. या दोन्ही ट्रायंगलच्या बघा C अँगल्सला मी या ठिकाणी रिपीट करतोय. CPA मध्ये C अँगल रिपीट होतोय, CBQ मध्ये सुद्धा C अँगल रिपीट होतोय. म्हणजेच काय, हा येईल तुमचा कॉमन अँगल आणि एक अँगल तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी राईट अँगल दिसतोय म्हणजे 90 डिग्रीचा. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला सहज हे प्रूफ त्या ठिकाणी लिहिता येईल. इफ AP इज इक्वल टू 7, आता अजून तुम्हाला फाइंड करायचं आहे, तर AP इज इक्वल टू 7, BQ इज इक्वल टू 8, BC इज इक्वल टू 12, देन फाइंड AC. First we write the given triangles are similar by AA test. For that, here I am taking in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. Angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB, each of 90 degree. Angle ACP, observe here, this angle ACP is congruent to BCQ, common angle. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. AA test of similarity. Very simple is this thing. And again we say that if the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportions. Which things you have to need, only write them. There is no need to write the ratio of the third side. So here we have AP, the length of AP, BQ, AC, you have to find that thing, and BC is given. So I am write here only two ratios. Means you can also write here the third ratio, but there is no need to write that ratio. Now put the values of AP, BQ and BC. We get 7 upon 8 is equal to AC upon 12. Taking cross multiplication, 7 into 12 is equal to AC into 8. 7 into 12 upon 8 is equal to AC. Simplified this one, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Therefore 7 into 3 upon 2 is equal to AC. Therefore 7 3s are 21 upon 2 is equal to AC. Therefore 10.5 is equal to AC. That is AC is equal to 10.5. Here you got your answers. In fifth example, given in trapezium PQ various, side PQ is parallel to SR. Observe here, PQ is parallel to SR. AR is equal to 5 times AP. AR is equal to 5 times AP. AS is equal to, here this side is equal to 5 times AQ, then prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Very simple this thing. Again you have to choose here two triangles and try to show that two triangles are similar. Which triangles here you have to given? Now we see that thing. In trapezium PQRS, AR is equal to 5AP and AS is equal to 5AQ. This thing is given to you. That is, you can write it AR upon AP. See here, this 5 is multiplied to AP. So while taking that AP on left hand side, it divides to AR. Therefore, AR upon AP is equal to 5 upon 1, and AS again AQ is multiplied to this 5. Therefore, AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. So in triangle ARS and triangle APQ, angle RAS is congruent to angle PAQ, vertically opposite angles. Also, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1 from first. Therefore, we say that the two sides are in proportions and the angle between them are equal. Therefore, triangle ARS is similar to triangle APQ using SAS test of similarity. If the two triangles are similar, then we can say that sides are also in proportion, same proportion. So we write that SR upon PQ is equal to AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. Here these ratios are equals, so we have to need only SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Therefore, we choose here the two ratios. SR upon PQ is equal to 5 upon 1. Taking cross multiplication, SR is equal to 5 times PQ. These things you have to prove. Hence proved. Example 6. In trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel to DC, diagonal AC and BD intersect in point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, then find OD. आता बघा, मागच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला ही OB, OD, OC आणि OA यांच्या लेंथ दिलेल्या होत्या, म्हणून आपण ट्रायंगल OBA आणि ट्रायंगल ODC या दोन ट्रायंगल्सला आपण सिमिलर दाखवलं होतं SAS टेस्टनुसार. मात्र या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला OD ची लेंथ दिलेली नाहीये, म्हणून आपल्याला या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये दोन्ही ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दाखवताना SAS टेस्ट या ठिकाणी वापरता येणार नाही. मग आता विचार करायचा की आपल्याला कुठली टेस्ट घेऊन या ठिकाणी हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दाखवता येतील. तर बघा, आपल्याला या ठिकाणी हे दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दाखवायचे आहेत. म्हणजेच काय, या ठिकाणी हा एक अँगल ऑलरेडी व्हर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स आहे, म्हणजेच काय, तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे. मग आता विचार करा की दुसरा कुठला अँगल्स आपल्याला कॉन्ग्रुएंट दाखवता येईल. आता पहा, ट्रॅपेझियम असल्यामुळे CD AB या दोघंही साईड पॅरलल ऑलरेडी त्याही दिलेल्या आहेत तुम्हाला गिव्हनमध्ये. आणि समजा जर आपण AC ला जर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल घेतली तर या ठिकाणी तयार होणारा हा C अँगल आणि A अँगल्स दोघंही कॉन्ग्रुएंट होतील. म्हणजेच दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स आपल्याला आता AA टेस्टनुसार सिमिलर दाखवता येतील. आता इथे SAS टेस्ट वापरता येणार नाही, कारण काय, OD ची लेंथ तुम्हाला फाइंड करायची आहे. म्हणजे इथं तीनच सेगमेंट ज्या दिल्या आहेत त्यांच्या लेंथ दिल्या आहेत, चौथी दिलेली नाही. म्हणून हे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला AA टेस्टचा वापर करून या ठिकाणी सिमिलर दाखवता येतील. ह्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स तुम्हाला AA टेस्टने सिमिलर दाखवता येतील. मग आपण या ठिकाणी आपलं सोल्युशन लिहायला सुरुवात करू. इन quadrilateral ABCD, side AB parallel to side DC and side AC is a transversal. Angle DCO is congruent to angle OAB. का मी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी सांगितलं, they are alternate angles formed by line CD and AB and transversal AC. In triangle OCD and triangle OAB, आता हे दोन्ही OCD आणि OAB या दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्समध्ये DOC, बघा आधी काय घेतलं आपण, DOC congruent to AOB vertically opposite angles. Angle DCO congruent to OAB from first. Therefore, triangle OCD is similar to triangle OAB. AA test of similarity. AA test ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी नुसार दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सिमिलर दाखवता आले. तर ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दाखवल्यानंतर त्यांच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग साईड्स प्रपोर्शनमध्ये असतीलच, म्हणून आपण OC अपॉन OA इज इक्वल टू DC अपॉन AB इज इक्वल टू OD अपॉन OP घेणार. पुढे रिझन लिहिणार करस्पॉन्डिंग साईड्स ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल CSST. आता त्यापैकी ज्या ज्या व्हॅल्यूज तुम्हाला माहिती आहेत त्या पुट करा. OC अपॉन OA इज इक्वल टू 6 अपॉन 20 इज इक्वल टू OD अपॉन 15. Here by taking these two ratios we can easily find the value of OD. So taking that two ratios 6 upon 20 is equal to OD upon 15, then taking cross multiplication 6 into 15 is equal to 20 into OD, 90 is equal to 20 into OD, 15 6 are 90. Therefore taking that 20 which is multiplied on right hand side, so it divides on left hand side. 90 upon 20 is equal to OD, 0 0 get cancels, 9 upon 2 is remaining, 9 upon 2 is equal to 4.5 is equal to OD, that is OD is equal to 4.5. In this way you can find the value of OD. Now in 7th example, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line D intersect ray AB in point T. Prove that D into B is equal to C into T. See here, D into B is equal to C into T. We can also write this thing as D upon C is equal to T upon B. Taking this B on right hand side, at the same time either you can take CE on left hand side or TE on left hand sides. Means this is nothing but the ratio. Now in solutions, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. AB parallel to DC and BC is a transversal. Why AB is parallel to DC? Because ABCD is a parallelogram. We know that the opposite sides of parallelograms are parallel to each other. Therefore here I am choose one pair of opposite sides, and that is AB parallel to DC, and taking BC as a transversal. Then what happen? Here the pair of these angles are congruent. Why? AB parallel to DC and BC is a transversal. These pair of alternate angles are congruent. Therefore angle TBC is congruent to BCD. Here these are alternate pair of angles. That is TBE. We can also write that TBC as a TBE. Why? Because point E lies between B and C. And similarly BCD write as a DCE. So now we choose these two triangles and try to show that two triangles are similar to each other. In triangle TBE and triangle DCE, BET here is congruent to CED. Why? Because this is the pair of opposite angles, vertically opposite angles, and TBE congruent to DCE. Therefore we can say that triangle TBE is similar to triangle DCE. A test of similarity. We know that if the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So I write here TB upon DC is equal to BE upon C is equal to TE upon DE. This is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Right here the reason why we can write it. Now I choose here only two ratios. BE upon C is equal to TE upon D. Why I choose here these two ratios? Because I have to show these things, and while taking the cross multiplication of this ratio I get directly B into D is equal to T into C. That is, now write that D first and then write this B, then D into B is equal to C into T, hence fruit. Now in 8th example, in figure segment AC and BD intersect each other at point P. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP is similar to CDP. Here we have to show that these two triangles are similar. The ratio is given at the point P. There is a vertically opposite angles form and these vertically opposite angles are congruent. The pair of sides are in proportions. Therefore, in simple steps we can say that in triangle ABP and triangle CDP, angle ABP congruent to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles, and their ratio AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. This is given. Therefore, directly we say that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP using SAS test of similarity. Hence proved. In ninth example, in the figure, in triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Prove that CS square is equal to CB into CD. See here in proof. Now what is given to you in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to ADC. This is given, so we write it in a given. Then to prove CS square is equal to CB into CD. Now while writing the proof of this example, we have to choose the two triangles. बघा आता कोणते योग्य ट्रायंगल्स घ्यायचे. आता या फिगरमध्ये तुम्हाला ABD, नंतर ADC, नंतर ABC असे तीन ट्रायंगल्स दिसत आहेत. आता या तिन्ही ट्रायंगल्सपैकी कोणतेही दोन घेऊन चालणार नाही. आपल्याला गिवन काय दिलं आहे ते आधी बघा. गिवनमध्ये तुम्हाला BAC अँगल म्हणजे हा ए या पॉईंटला तयार होणारा हा अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे ADC या D या पॉईंटला तयार होणारा अँगल. म्हणून आपल्याला या ठिकाणी BAC अँगल असलेला ट्रायंगल ABC, एक तर ABC घ्या, ACB घ्या, BAC घ्या, कुठलंही नाव घेतलं तरी चालेल. मात्र दुसरा जो ट्रायंगल तुम्ही चूज करणार तो कोणत्या अँगलशी आहे ते चेक करा, ADCशी. आता ADC म्हणजेच तुम्हाला ADC हा ट्रायंगल घ्यावा लागेल. आता हे ट्रायंगल्स ती दोघांची नावं या ठिकाणी बघा मी करस्पॉन्डन्सनुसार घेतली आहेत. एला करस्पॉन्डिंग व्हर्टेक्स D आहेत, बीला A का या ट्रायंगल्समध्ये, Cला C का, कारण काय हा बघा ABC या ट्रायंगलमध्ये C अँगल, तसंच ट्रायंगल DAC मध्ये C हा अँगल कॉमन अँगल आला, बरोबर आहे. म्हणून मी C व्हर्टेक्सला शेवटी घेतलं. तसंच तुम्हाला A याला D हा अँगल ऑलरेडी गिवनमध्ये तुम्हाला कॉन्ग्रुएंट दिला आहे, इक्वल दिला आहे. म्हणून मी A व्हर्टेक्सला करस्पॉन्डिंग व्हर्टेक्स D घेतला. या करस्पॉन्डन्सनुसार आपण या ठिकाणी ट्रायंगलची नावं चूज केलीत जे गिवनमध्ये आहेत. त्या पद्धतीने BAC कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ADC, देन ACB कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू DCA, कॉमन अँगल, फॉर्मॅट वर्टेक्स C. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC using AA test of similarity. Therefore, BC upon CA is equal to CA upon CD, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Therefore, taking cross multiplication, I am right here in place of BC CB into CD is equal to CA into CA. CB into CD is equal to CS square, that is CS square is equal to CB into CD. This way we can write the proof of this example. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share my video. Subscribe YouTube channel and press bell icon for more videos.